Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage add-ons in QuickBooks Time. This is essential for customizing your time tracking experience and ensuring your team has access to the right tools and features they need for accurate time management. First, open QuickBooks Time in your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Feature Add-ons. This is your central hub for all the additional features and tools you can enable or disable in QuickBooks Time. Once you're in the Feature Add-ons section, click on Manage Add-ons. This will bring up a list of all available add-ons that you can install or remove from your account. To install a new add-on, browse through the available options until you find the one that fits your needs, then click Install next to it. The add-on will be activated and ready to use. If you need to remove an add-on you're no longer using, simply locate it in the list and click Uninstall. This keeps your workspace clean and focused on only the features you actually need. After installing add-ons, take a moment to review any settings or preferences associated with them. Some add-ons may require additional configuration to work properly with your specific workflow, so it's worth checking these options to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, if you want to manage approval options for timesheets or other submissions, stay in the Feature Add-ons section and select Approval Preferences. This allows you to control how time entries and requests are approved within your organization. Similarly, if you need to manage who can view or edit schedules, click on Schedule Preferences under Feature Add-ons. This gives you granular control over schedule permissions for different team members. Next, navigate to the Time Card Selector option. Here you can choose which time entry tools your team members will see when they log their hours. You can also set default options that make the time entry process faster and more consistent across your organization. Finally, don't forget to set up time off codes. These codes allow you to track vacation days, holidays, sick leave, and other types of paid or unpaid time off. Having these codes configured properly ensures accurate time tracking and makes payroll processing much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.